everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for the sketch 30 Days of Sketches with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life and Pink Glitter Scrapper Lisa. Christy and Lisa are doing a sketch a day for the month of January, and I am playing along on Thursdays. So I have this layout here, and this is using the paper issue sketch that was at the beginning of the video, and I decided to do a sports one for my daughter who plays basketball. So I'm just adhering all these basketballs. This cut file I believe is from Paper Issues as well, and I just took the basketball from the cut file and made it different sizes to match the circles in the sketch. And I'm backing them on this paper, and this paper is from the Marvelous collection from Paper Issues, and it's a gorgeous marbled orange, and I thought it went perfectly. And I'm going to the background piece of paper is from my November Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit, and I believe it's Simple Stories. And so I'm just kind of laying out where I want everything, and I have these three pictures of my daughter dribbling up to the basket and making a shot. And I turned them in kind of a black and white. I allowed for a little bit of color to come through on the pictures, but just really dulled it down a lot. And I'm going to back these with some black and white cardstock, just to let them stand out a little bit more from background. And this layout came together really quickly. I think it only took me about 30 minutes to create, and most of that time I feel like was spent gluing down the basketballs. Oh, and picking out my letter stickers, because I struggled with that too. So still working on just backing these. If you haven't already, you should definitely head on over to Christy and Lisa's channel. They will be down below. I also have linked the other guest designers that are playing along this month with Christy and Lisa. They're playing along on different days and everything, but you should definitely head over and check out their videos as well, because they're all so talented, and I am just so happy to be able to play along with them. And still trimming these down. I guess I could have cut some of that out. But I am going to be pulling in some of my scraps. So you can see I'm using kind of a little scrap piece behind my photos there. It's a black and white print, and I can't remember what collection it's from, but my November kit was based around the Echo Park Fashionista collection, so it could very well be one of those papers. And just painstakingly placing those photos down. So now I'm pulling out this orange paper, and I believe this was from an earlier kit, and I think it was maybe my October kit, and it's just a little scrap of paper that I had left, and it wasn't enough, so I'm going to kind of Frankenstein it here and put it together in a way that it looks like it's spreading across the whole area that I want it to. And this is just an orange paper with little white plus signs on it. And I'm going to fiddle with this for a while. So now, through the magic of YouTube, it's magically done. I also added a border of that black and white paper down at the bottom. And I'm just working on my title here. My title is going to be Shootin' Like a Boss, because I believe in this instant she had actually gone and stolen the ball and then made a shot, and I had asked my husband, did she just steal that ball like a boss? And he said yeah. So it was just a funny story, so I decided to use that kind of as my title. And I'm using these thickers. Now, I've had these forever and ever and ever, and I find them really difficult to use, but on this layout they worked perfectly. They kind of look like ribbons like you would get at like a sports event or whatever, with the little kind of fishtail ends on it. And so I thought that it worked out really well. Plus they're black and white. And then I'm going to use these really tall skinny thickers, and I believe these are called Maple, and they're just really thin. I don't even know what material they're made out of, like plastic, I guess. And so they work out perfectly. And I love the way this is looking. And I don't know where I went off to, but I am going to come in. Oh, I went to find this pencil. I tried that one out. That one's silver and it's actually a fabric marking pencil for sewing, but I end up using a white color pencil. And I'm just going to write my journaling here. And I like that you can kind of see it, but it doesn't stand out like super strong against the layout. And then I'm going to go around and I am going to trace some of the stars that are in the background with the white pencil just to make a few of them stand out a little bit. And then that's pretty much going to be my layout. So again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, head on over to the other ladies' channels. They'll be linked down below. And if you are interested in checking out the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, I will also put that down below. It's a great opportunity, so I highly recommend it. If you don't know what it is, it's a kit that's individually chosen for each person. You put in what you like, what you don't like, and then Christina is amazing and goes through and puts together these awesome kits for you. So I will, actually I think this is my last video. So thanks so much for watching. This has been a great series and I will see you again soon. Bye!